In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. This integration helps your team connect development work to your tasks, so commits, branches, and pull requests can be surfaced right where you manage projects. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to both platforms and that you have permission to authorize integrations for your workspace or organization. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want the integration. It's a good idea to double-check you're in the correct space, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. Keeping your browser updated and disabling strict pop-up blockers for this site will prevent issues during authorization. Next, look for the waffle icon, the small grid-style button in the ClickUp interface. This icon opens up ClickUp's menu for tools and add-ons. Click it, and then choose Apps. This takes you to the App Center, where you'll find all available integrations. If you don't see the Apps option, you may need higher permissions, so check with your workspace admin. Inside the App Center, find and select GitHub. You might see other developer tools listed, but we're focusing specifically on GitHub here. Opening the GitHub tile gives you an overview of what the integration can do and the option to begin connecting your account. Click Connect. This action starts a secure authorization process using your browser. If a new window doesn't appear, temporarily allow pop-ups for this site and try again. The goal is to let ClickUp request permission from GitHub to access the repositories you choose. Now connect your account to sign in. You'll land on a GitHub authorization page. Review the permissions being requested, typically access to repositories, pull requests, and related metadata. If you're part of an organization, you may need to choose whether to grant access to specific repositories or all repositories. And an admin may need to approve the request depending on your org's security settings. Select the appropriate repositories, confirm the scopes if prompted, and click Authorize. Use the GitHub account that actually owns or has access to the repos you want to use with ClickUp. When the authorization completes, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp, and you should see the integration marked as connected. That's it. You opened ClickUp, used the waffle icon to get to Apps, chose GitHub, clicked Connect, and authorized your GitHub account. From here, you can confidently move on to linking tasks with branches or pull requests, and keep your work neatly synced between both tools. If something doesn't connect, revisit permissions, disable pop-up blockers, or try reauthorizing. Thanks for watching, and happy building.